Hello everyone. The topic is Wuchereria bancrafti. So it is in the topic of zoology first year, biology, human welfare unit, and parasitic life cycles. So already we are done with entamoeba, plasmodium, and ascaris. The last parasitic life cycle is Wuchereria bancrafti. So it is belongs to the phylum Nematoda. It is also called as filarial worm. It causes the disease filariasis in human or elephantiasis. So the symptoms of this disease is inflammation or swelling of lymph vessels and lymph glands. So it is a digenetic parasite, means completes its life cycle in two hosts, that is man and female culex mosquito. Remember, in plasmodium, female anaphyllus mosquito; in Wuchereria, female culex. Wuchereria culex mosquito. And this is dimorphic, means the sexes are separate, male and female, same like as ascaris. And histozoic parasite, it lives in the tissues, especially in the lymph vessels of man. Here the difference between male and female, same like as ascaris. The male organism having the posterior curved tail and pineal spicules, one pair of pineal spicules also present. It useful to send the sperm into the female. So pineal spicules are useful in the copulation. Then female, same like a ascaris female, posterior is straight, and the mid ventral side it have a vulva or genital pore, and the female organism is a ovoviviparous, egg and direct organism. Then what is the infective stage of Wuchereria? Means third stage of microfilaria larva. So infective stages are also very much important in the MCQs. Plasmodium sporozoite, entamoeba tetranucleate stage, ascaris second stage of labiditiform larva. In the Wuchereria, third stage of microfilariae larva. So then come to the life cycle of Wuchereria. So it having the life cycle in man and culex mosquito. So first in the man, the male and female organisms of the Wuchereria lives in the lymph vessels of the man. Then the copulation also takes place in the lymph vessels of man. Then the female releases the sheeted microfilaria larvae. Same in ascaris, mammillated eggs, but in Wuchereria they releases, female organism will releases the sheeted microfilaria larva. So it has a sheet, this green color sheet. So here this lymph vessels to this larva is spread into the lymph vessels to blood streams of the human. In the blood streams at the daytime, it will enter into the deeper of the blood vessels. Then the daytime, it is enter into the peripheral. So here the 2 marks question, nocturnal periodicity. 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. the microfilaria larvae enter into the peripheral of the blood streams. It will cause the itching like symptoms. That is called nocturnal periodicity. The microfilaria larvae enter into the blood streams and they are active in the time of 10 p.m. to morning 4 a.m. That activity is called nocturnal periodicity. 2 marks question. And then when the mosquito suck the blood of the infected person, they may enter into the mosquito. So just this is in the man. Then the microfilaria larvae enter into the mosquito to the when it is bite to the infected person. Then here in the mosquito, the sheet get dissolved in the midgut of mosquito. Midgut means alimentary canal of mosquito. Within 2 to 6 hours, the sheet get dissolved. Dissolved means exsheeted, means a remove of the sheet. That is reaches to the hemocoel of the mosquito. So again the cycle is all in the mosquito. So sheeted microfilaria larva get exsheeted and reaches to hemocoel, hemocoel to thoracic muscles. So this is called first stage of larva. Then this first stage of larva is turned into sachet-shaped larva within 2 days. This larva completed its first molting, then it turns to second stage larva. Then it is turned into the third stage larva by the second molting. This total process from first stage larva to third stage larva, the time takes between 10 to 20 days. So this third stage is the infective stage to the human. Then it is reached to the labium of mosquito. This is long and infective stage to human. This is reached from midgut to thoracic, thoracic to the labium of the mosquito. Then it ready to infect to the another person. Then when the mosquito, this mosquito is bite to the another person, this larva enter into the bloodstream of person. Then again from bloodstream to lymph vessel, the destination of the organism to reach the lymph vessels. So this larva is reached to the lymphatic vessels of man. Then it completes the third molting, turns into fourth stage larva, then completes fourth molting, it became a young one. So this is the life cycle in man and mosquito. Just in man, it lays microfilaria larva and the copulation occurs in the lymph vessels, and microfilaria larva just they are enter into bloodstreams from the lymph vessels. Then it shows nocturnal periodicity. Then the mosquito is bite to the infected person. These microfilaria larva enter into the mosquito. In the mosquito midgut, the sheath will be exsheeted, dissolve. Then it leads to midgut to thoracic, thoracic to labium. In this between we have a stages. First stage larva, second stage larva, third stage larva in the mosquito. But the third stage is the infective stage. Then it reaches to the labium of mosquito. They are ready to infect to the new host. If the mosquito will bite to the person, then this third stage larva will reach to the bloodstreams, then bloodstream to lymph vessels. It completes third, fourth moltings. Then the fourth stage larva became a young one. So this is the life cycle in man and mosquito. And remember one MCQs. So here infective stage, third stage larva, and what is lymphangitis, lymphadentis. So this is also 2 marks and MCQs. Lymphangitis means inflammation of lymph vessels. Lymphadentis means inflammation of lymphatic glands. Here glands D, lymphangitis. So here lymphatic vessels, lymphangitis. And lymphadentis, D for gland here. Lymph glands inflammation is called lymphadentis. Then both the glands swelling, it is called as a lymphedema. So this is the information regarding Wuchereria bancrafti. So thank you. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.